Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this beautiful earring. It's a paper and a bead. Quite simple and quite effective. I created two different kind of this earring, one with the glitter paper and the pearl, and the other one with a simple paper for scrapbooking and a paper heart bead. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute and beautiful earring. You will need this kind of paper punch, the circle one. If you don't have this paper punch, you can use something around like this, the base of a nail polish. You can trace your circle. We will need to cut 8 circles. We will need 8 in order to create this form. I will use this kind of paper, and you will need these 8 circles, and then you will start to fold enough each one of them. Fold enough, fold enough, okay, the last two, okay, and the last one circle. Okay, now that we have this 8 piece of paper in this way, we will use some tacky glue, and then we will need to glue together the pieces, the paper pieces. So we will do in this way in order to glue together our paper pieces. Better to glue together 2 pieces at a time. It's more easy in this way to create. Voila. Okay, now okay, now we will need to glue together voila, quite easy in this way. Okay, now we will need to glue together this and this. Okay, press, okay, and leave it to dry. Now we will glue together these two parts. Okay, try to match the border. Okay, and now we will need press. Now we will need to glue together these two parts, and our sort of paper ball is quite ready. Okay, in this way. Okay, and now the last part. Press together all before glue the final part, and now we will need to glue the two final pieces. Okay, and then we will try to match in a perfect way the border. Voila, here our super cute earring. Now we will need to finish the earring with this piece. Okay, we will pass through from the bottom, and then you can add whatever you want. I added this bead because I think it's quite nice. It's similar, the color is similar to the paper. Then we will need to create this part in order to hang the final part of our earring. Okay, now I will use this, but you can use other things. Voila, I'm not so good in this moment. Voila, and here our second earring. Voila, they are quite nice to wear. They are so light and quite nice to wear. And then you can create them in many different ways, like I did in this way with the glitter paper and the pearl, or you can use the paper that you prefer. They are quite nice, so give it a try. I think you will have a lot of fun in creating this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.